Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning. Today let us solve paper state level SSLC preparatory examination 2026 mathematics. First main is MCQ. In that first question is the prime factors of 30 are. To find prime factors, let us write 30 and find the factors. It is divisible by 5, so 5 6 is 30 and 2 3 is 6. What are the factors? 5, 2 and 3 are the factors. So the option number B is the correct answer. Second question, if the lines represented by the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are intersecting, then the correct relation among the following is. If the lines are intersecting, the relation should be a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This is a direct question. Just see here the conditions. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then these are intersecting lines. If all are equal, coinciding lines, and if last two ratios are not equal, then these are parallel lines. Let us see the third question. The formula to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression with first term a and nth term l is. It is also direct question, direct formula they are asking. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l is the answer. So option A is the answer. Fourth question, the standard form of the quadratic equation 5x square is equals to 4x minus 5 is. So to find standard form, what we have to do, everything we have to bring to LHS. That is, what is there in the RHS, everything should come to LHS. So 5x square is in LHS. So if you bring 4x to LHS, it becomes minus 4x, and again minus 5 if you bring to LHS, it becomes plus 5 is equals to 0. The option C is the correct answer. Next question, fifth question, the value of sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree is. Sine 30 value you know, that is 1 by 2, and cos 60 value you know, that is again 1 by 2. If you add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is half plus half is 1. 1 is the correct answer. Sixth one, then the volume of the sphere of radius r unit is. Again it is the formula, direct question. The option number A is the correct answer, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next question, if the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to the product of its zeros, then the value of k is. Here sum of the zeros is equals to product of the zeros is given. What is sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta, and the product of the zeros is alpha into beta. See, I am solving here. Alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. Here alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta is what? C by a. In this equation, minus b is what? 2. So minus 2 by a is what? It is k, coefficient of x square, and c is what? 3k, and a is what? Again k. K cancels. So if you cross multiply, 3k is equals to minus 2 and k is equals to minus 2 by 3. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Option D is the correct answer. So let us see the 8th question. It is little confusing question. See, in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point on BC. AE and DC are produced to meet at point F. Then the correct relation in the following is. This is similarity problem, similar triangle. In this, they are considering not small two triangles, they are considering one small triangle and one big triangle. That is, in triangle ABE and triangle AFD, ADF, or I will write FDA. In these two triangles, angle B is equals to angle D. These were opposite angles of the parallelogram. Then angle A is equals to angle F. Angle A is equals to angle F. Why angle? These are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Next, remaining is which one? In this triangle, angle E is remaining. These two also will be equal. Angle E is equals to angle A of big triangle. So what relation we can write? The ratios. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle FDA. See, opposite to E, AB. AB and opposite to A is which one? FD. So AB by FD is equals to, opposite to A angle is BE and opposite to F angle is AD. So option B is the correct answer. Next, let us see the next main, that is answer the following. Again, 1 marks question. Question number 9. Write the degree of the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is what? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Cubic highest power is will be 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Answer is 3. What is the perpendicular distance of the point A to 5 from y-axis? This is y-axis. If I mark the point 1, 2 and here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the point 2 and 5 will be here. They are asking the distance from y-axis. This is y-axis. So distance from here, perpendicular distance from y-axis, how much it is? It is 2x. What is the same thing will be the distance from y-axis to this point. So answer is 2 is the correct answer. Question number 11. What is the sum of probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment? Sum of probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment will be always 1. Now next question number 12. Write the two conditions for the similarity of the polygon with the same number of sides. Here, if the same number of sides, polygon, if it is triangle, triangle, if it is square, square, then what will be the similarity condition? First condition is their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. Next one, second condition is what? Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or are in the same proportion. These two are the condition. Okay, Next question, that is question number 13. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation 2x minus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0 have? Here again we have to use that second question rule, that is a1 by a2 we have to find out. A1 by a2 is what in this? A1 is 2 and a2 is also 2, and we'll find b1 by b2. This ratio we have to find out. b1 by b2 is what? b1 is minus 5 and b2 is 1. See? Here a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. If these two are not equal, how many solution does these two equation have? Only one solution, that is unique solution. If you want, I'll show you. See, if it is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, exactly one solution, that is unique solution, and graphical representation will be intersecting lines. Now let us see next question, that is question number 14. If the nth term of an AP is an is equals to 5n plus 3, then find the third term of the progression. How we can find? In place of n we are writing 3. n plus 3 is given. We have to find out a3, that is 5 into 3 plus 3, that is 5 3 is a 15 plus 3 is equals to 18 is the correct answer. Question number 15. Find the median of the data whose mode is 13 and mean is 10. What is the formula? What is the relation between mean, median and mode? That is 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. So 3 median I'll write as it is, and the mode is given, that is 13, and plus 2 mean is also given, that is 10. So 3 median is equals to 13 plus into 2 is 20 plus 13 is 33. N is equals to 33 by 3 is equals to 11. Next, last question, that is 16th question from second main. Find the volume of the cube of edge 6 centimeter. That means edge is nothing but A is given, that is 6 centimeter. What is the formula to find volume of the cube? That is a cube. Volume of cube is equals to a cube, that is 6 cube is 216 centimeter cube. 6 3 times you have to multiply. Okay, in the next video I am going to solve next main, that is third main. Thank you.